How to fix App Store missing on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option Screen Time. Now head over to the option Content and Privacy Restriction. Due to some restrictions, your App Store might be missing, so you have to fix this issue customizing these settings. Click on the option iTunes and App Store Purchases. Here you're going to find this section of installing apps, deleting apps and in-app purchases. Open each of the option and set it to allow. Likewise, you will find this section of require password, set it to don't require. Then head back. Then you can disable for the option of content and privacy restriction. Then give a fresh restart to your device and your App Store will be available and it will be working. So this way you are able to fix App Store missing on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.